Dear students of class 8, I'm going to give a concept on polygons. Chapter quadrilateral. Polygon. According to definition of polygon, the simple closed curves made up of straight lines are called polygon. Polygons are closed figure, closed 2D figure. Now, to make a closed figure, we need minimum 3 lines. So polygon starts from triangle. So triangle is also a polygon, quadrilateral is also a polygon, and pentagon is also a polygon. Why pentagon? It has 5 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So simplest polygon is triangle because it has minimum lines. It has minimum lines 3. So it is simplest polygon. So triangle is called simplest polygon. After that, quadrilateral, pentagon, and if you increase the sides of the polygon, it will be, if 6 sides, it will be hexagon. 7 sides, side 7, then it will be heptagon. Side 8, it will be octagon. Side 9, it will be nonagon. Side 8, it will be decagon. So according to their sides, their name are different. Now, there are different types of polygon. It starts from triangle. Now see, we'll get 2 types of polygon. One is convex polygon, another is concave polygon. Convex polygon means what? Polygons with its interior angle is less than 180 degree is called convex polygon. In case of convex polygon, each angle of the polygon should be less than 180 degree. In triangle, it's not possible only because all the angles, if you add, then you will get 180 degree. How one angle more than 180 degree? It is not possible only. But here also not possible. But if you see here, this interior angle, this interior angle, this interior angle, this interior angle, each interior angle is less than 180 degree because 180 is straight angle. So this is straight angle, this plus this equal 180 degree. 180 degree is straight angle. So the one interior angle, it is not possible to more than 180 degree in this type of quadrilateral. So this angle less than 90 degree, this angle, or 180 degree. If each angle less than 180 degree, then it is called convex polygon. Here also pentagon, hexagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. 6 sides, so it is a hexagon. Here also each angle less than 180 degree. So it is also convex polygon. Now we'll come to the concave polygon. Polygon with at least one interior angle greater than 180 degree are called concave polygon. In case of concave polygon, minimum one angle should be more than 180 degree. One interior angle. Now in this polygon, if you see, this is interior angle. This is interior angle. This angle is, if you draw a straight line like this, then it will be 180 degree up to here. Up to here it will be 180 degree if you draw a straight line like this. So it is again 180 will be here only, and again this part is greater. So obviously it is more than 180 degree. But less than 360 degree. Why? The complete angle is 360 degree. It is more than 180 and less than 360. So it is called reflex angle. It is called reflex angle. And if one interior angle is greater than 180 degree, minimum one interior angle is greater than 180 degree, that is called concave polygon. Now in this polygon, if you see, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If 7 sides are there, it is called heptagon. In this heptagon, if you see, this is an interior angle, this is an interior angle. If you see here, if you draw a straight line, then it will be 180 degree up to here, and this much is greater. So obviously it is more than 180 degree. Since it is more than 180 degree, less than 360 degree, it is a reflex angle. If one angle more than 180 degree, then it is a concave polygon. But here two angles more than 180 degree. This angle also more than 180, this angle also more than 180. So it is a concave polygon. Means minimum one interior angle should have more than 90 degree or 180 degree. Now a regular polygon. Regular polygon means the polygons where all sides are equal and all angles are equal. The polygon, all sides are equal in length and all angles are equal measure, are called regular polygon. Now, in case of regular polygon, all sides should be equal. Here this equal, this, all sides are equal. Here also this equal, this, and each angle 90 degree. Means in an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and each angle equal 60 degree. Means all angles are equal. In the case of square, all sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. So these are regular polygon. The simplest regular polygon is an equilateral triangle. In case of equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and each angle equal to 60 degree, means all angles are equal. Here each angle 90 degree and all sides are equal. So it is a regular polygon having 4 sides. Therefore, square is a regular polygon having 4 sides, where AB equal BC equal CD equal AD. So these are called regular polygon.